So we said that pre-wash is when before you wash something, right? But if we take off the pre, what does wash mean?
Wash.
It means you're washing it. And we said preview is what you watch before you watch a movie, right?
And the view?
And view is during the movie. So what do we think pre makes it? What do we think before? So adding pre changes the word a little bit, right? Because if you just have view, it means that you're watching something. But if you add pre, what does it mean? Before you watch something, right? Right. Okay. So when you add a prefix, a prefix comes before a word, and it changes the definition a little bit. Does that make sense?
So what sentence do we
So we're gonna write something.
Are you gonna teach us today?
No, next week. I'll teach you guys again next week. Something that,
Are you gonna teach us math or something?
no.
Something comes before a word.
And what does it change?
The same. No. The meaning.
Changes the meaning. Jalen, are you paying attention? Did I write that one? Alright, so write this in your notebooks. This is the definition.
Can you show my pencil?
What's that? Alright, and everyone just put your pencils down when we're done writing, okay? Mm-hmm.
I can't make that letter.
Oh, that's and, sorry.
I made it. Just have to do a line down and then draw 3 backwards.
Is that better? Nathan, you can just write and.
I did.
Thank you, Hunter, for putting your pencil down.
The meaning.
Alright, let's write a little faster. Good job. So does everyone understand that, what a prefix is? Okay, so Hunter, can you tell me what the prefix is on these words? Alright, and what about on these words? Okay.
Prefix.
Hmm?
If it was prefix, it would be prefix.
True.
That doesn't make sense.
Okay, does everyone have it written down?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Okay, so next we're going to write the definition of pre. So if you, let's say you don't know what pre-wash means, but you know what wash means. What do you think? How are you going to know what pre-wash means if you know what wash means? No, not again. What did we say pre was? Before, right? And what about view? Preview. You know what view means, but you might not know what preview means.
Like you when you watch it.
Before you view it, right? So if you see pre, that just means before whatever word comes after it. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's write pre in our notes underneath this. Pre is the first prefix.
We already got 3.
Just write P-R-E. Okay, so what are we going to write though? Pre. What's the definition of pre? If pre is before a word, what does it change about it? Do you remember what we just said? What is it? Okay, but if pre comes before a word, what does it change about the word? It's before. So pre means before. So just write before. Can you guys spell that, or do you need help? You write before.
Like that before?
Mm-hmm. Good job. B-E-F-O-R-E. Yep. Because pre, it just means before. Okay, now let's work on the middle one. So let's. Okay, so let's read these words. When everyone's. Alright. What is this word?
Remind.
Remind.
Replay.
Replay. Replay.
They rhyme. Recapture.
Recapture.
Reconsider.
Reconsider.
Rechain. Recharge.
Recharge. Okay, so who. Hunter, can you tell me what capture means? Like take over something. Do you know what recapture means?
Don't take over.
No, you do take it over. You take it over
Again.
again. Good job, Satori. So, reconsider. Who can tell me what consider means?
You consider something.
I think it means like you say somebody can do something, you actually. It's kind of hard to explain.
All right, consider is like you think about something. You consider it in your head. You think about it. You give it a chance.
I know what replay means, so you can play it again.
Okay, so let's work it out. That might be a little easier. So what does play mean?
You play like a movie.
Okay, so let's say this is like playing movies. So, Jalen, do you know what replay means?
That means we play it over
You
again.
play it again, right? So who can raise their hand and guess what the prefix RE means? Austin.
Play it over again.
Okay, not play it again. Again. Nathan, pay attention, please. Again, right. So if you know what the word charge means, like you charge it, you reload it, it goes, you charge the battery or something. Recharge just means you do it again, right? Repay, you know what pay means, right? You give someone money. So what does it mean when you repay someone?
You have to pay it again because
You give them money again, exactly.
like a car.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's write re in our binder.
Read it.
Okay? And who can tell me what the definition of re is?
Do it again.
Again. So if you don't know what a word means and it has re in front of it, take off that re and see if you know what that word means. Do you need help?
This one means don't.
Okay.
Together.
Good job. So re means what?
That'd be
Do it again. Again.
again.
All right, put that down. We're not there yet.
Why is that camera recording?
That's from in class. Only my teacher will see it.
Why do you know that you're doing this?
Yep. To know how great I am. No, I'm kidding. Okay. So.
Project?
All right, so now we're going to do this one. So who can tell me what the prefix is in this set of words? Nathan.
Don't do it again.
What is the prefix?
On.
Un. Does everyone see that?
Yeah. What about like undo? Be something.
Undo would be a good one. All right, so who can tell me what real means? So Tori, can you put that down?
Real means like it's a real thing. Like me, I'm a real.
Right, yes?
It's something that's like
Unreal.
Can everyone listen to Jalen, please?
if someone is moving, that would be real. But if someone like is like a plastic cardboard person, like on a movie set, that would be unreal.
Right, so what does unreal mean?
That would then it's not living.
Not. Yeah, it's not. Okay, so what does tie mean? Like what you do?
Tie your shoes.
Like you tie your shoes, right? So what does untie mean?
You take them
Untie your
loose.
shoes. Untie your shoes.
Okay, so what do you do to them?
You take
tie
them
them.
loose.
You untie
You make them loose, right?
You take them off.
Okay, and let's look at this last one. What is this one, Hunter?
Yeah.
Okay, what does plug mean? What do you put it in the wall, right? Okay, but what do you do when you
Take it out.
unplug it?
You unplug it.
Right.
So
Take
it
it
doesn't
out.
work no more.
Okay, so who can guess what un means?
Not.
Yeah, it means not. What else? What else could
Wait,
it
what are
mean?
we in?
These ones.
You take it out.
We're on unlock.
Undo.
Unlock means like to not lock it, but unlock it. Like
Right. So what are those? What are like if you lock something and you,
opposite?
opposites, right?
So like when I go home and my front door's locked and I need to get in and unlock it.
You unlock it, you make it the opposite, right? It was locked and then you unlocked it. Okay, so who can tell me a definition for un?
Me.
Yes.
Yeah, do the opposite.
The opposite. Okay, so let's write that in our binders. Do you guys need help spelling opposite?
Wait, what do you write?
You write un, just like you've done for the other prefixes. You write un, and then what does un mean? Opposite.
Pencil.
How do you spell opposite?
All right.
Opposite.
Okay, so does everyone understand how prefixes might help you understand what a word means that you don't understand?
Yeah.
How?
You remember the
What can you do to the prefix what can you do? Jalen?
You can uncover the part that you don't know, and you could see what the part that you know,
Right.
and then you can try to figure out what the other part means by using the other part.
Good. So from now on, when you guys are reading, if you don't know a word and you see that the word starts with pre or re or un, you guys will know how to maybe understand the word a little better, right? Because you can cover up that prefix, and if you know what that word means, then you'll know what it means with the prefix, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're done here. Thank you guys very much.
And you don't take one. The camera the whole time.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so go back to your seats and get out your math book, okay?